Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Standard Chartered customer looking to transfer money quickly and securely using their app in 2025, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and stress-free. Whether you're sending cash to a family member or paying off a bill, the app's updated features make it easier than ever. First off, ensure you have the latest version of the Standard Chartered app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for Standard Chartered, and download it if you haven't already. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. For added security, the app might prompt you for a one-time PIN or biometric verification. Always a good idea to keep things safe. Now, let's dive into the transfer process. From the home screen, tap on the Transfers or Payments icon. It's usually front and center for easy access. Next, choose the type of transfer you need. Options might include domestic transfers, international wires, or even quick pays to other banks. Enter the recipient's details carefully. If it's someone you've transferred to before, their info might auto-populate, saving you time. Then, input the amount you want to send and add any optional notes, like a reference for the payment. Before you confirm, take a second to review everything. Double-check the amount, recipient, and any fees that might apply, especially for international transfers in 2025, as exchange rates could fluctuate. Once you're good, hit the Confirm button and authorize the transaction with your security method, such as a fingerprint scan or app-specific PIN. You'll get an instant confirmation on your screen, and you might receive an email or SMS notification too. That's it, you've successfully transferred your money. If you encounter any hiccups, like app glitches, head to the help section or contact Standard Chartered support directly from the app. Thanks for watching, and remember, managing your finances should be straightforward. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.